What's going on, guys? It's Brandy, and today we're going to be doing a little tutorial video on how to get Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. Um, for starters, the link's in the bio for the download. It's 1.7 gigs. Once you have downloaded it, you're just going to want to open it. You're going to drag this to your desktop, and it'll extract to here. Once you're there, you open it up, and you just click autoplay. You hit yes. And then hit install, and then it's going to do its thing, and you can pick the location. I'm just going to change the location to my desktop, and hit OK, and then continue. All right, now that it's done, you just hit launch. It will open up, load. And there you go. Now it's finished. So you can just start a new project. And I'm just going to name it video. Just hit OK. And there you go. You have Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. It's pretty simple. Leave a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.